Taking this moment to find a comfortable place, seated, grounded, disconnected from all external noise. Letting yourself go within. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. If you're joining me as part of the 14-day Boho Beautiful mindfulness journey, welcome to day 5. Let us take this opportunity to find peaceful presence from within, drawing our awareness inward as we close our eyes and simply focus on the inhalation and exhalation. Breathe in. Breathe out. Setting an intention to breathe in life force energy, source energy, to activate this energy in our heart, bringing forth our heart's desire, knowing that we are worthy to receive, worthy to live a beautiful life that is guided through love, peace, and gratitude. So breathe in and let it go as you allow yourself to settle in deeper and deeper. Feel your heart, the sensations of your breath, the coolness of the air coming into your body as you inhale, and the warm sensation of the air leaving your body as you exhale. Allow this breath to ground you, support you, fill you up with all the powerful energy that lives inside of you, guiding you into a closer connection with your limitless potential, reminding you that in this vast universe filled with miracles and beauty, your potential is truly limitless. That you are capable of creating a life that you know you truly deserve. So breathe in. And as you breathe out, ask yourself, what does your heart long for? What is it that you wish to achieve, to become? Look into your heart and inquire. Dig deep and look inside. Your potential is limitless. Take another breath in. And as you exhale, let yourself sink deeper into stillness. Let go into stillness. Surrender into stillness. And as you go deeper into this beautiful silence, keep your present awareness on the breath, repeating the following mantra whenever you catch your mind be drawn away by thoughts or emotions. My potential and power is limitless. My potential and power is limitless. Now silently in your mind. It's time to release your mantra, coming back to your breath, to your heart, breathing in deeply and letting go. Stay in this silent awareness, feeling the pulsating energy of power and strength vibrating through each cell of your being. Stay here as long as you need before slowly and gently opening your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for our beautiful meditation together. From my heart to yours, with love and gratitude, Namaste. This guided meditation is part of the Boho Beautiful free meditation and yoga program. To sign up for free and receive the entire 2-week program of 28 videos at absolutely no cost to you, go to bohobeautiful.life/free yoga. Thank you again for being here with me today. I'm sending you all my love and all my light. Namaste.